Gosh. Why is it so hard to wake up? I don't know. I'm gonna wake up everybody. Foxy, wake up. I mean, why did I say Foxy? I meant Grape. Grape. Wake up. I don't feel good. Fruit punch. I just need to rest a little bit more. Are you serious? Well, you're not Grape. You're more like Sleeping Beauty. Are you just trying not to get out of making this video? No, like for real, I'm actually sick. Fruit punch. Alright, Grape. Whatever, I'm just gonna wake everybody up. Okay. Unicorn, if you don't wake up. Nay. I don't know why you make that noise. I don't know, I'm just gonna fly. Wait, I forgot. He took my powers? Well, that happened. Hey, let's go wake up. Blue. Blue, wake up. Burk. I'd rather not talk about that. Bark, bark. I said I would rather not talk about that. I said bark, bark. Okay, chill out. Bark. By the way, meet over there by Unicorn. Oh, bark, bark. Now I gotta wake up that bear. Yo, Grizzly. What? Get up. Go to the meeting room. Alright. Yo, wake up. Wait, why do we have two calls? There's nothing wrong with that. Wake up. Go to the meeting room. Okay. By the way, there's nothing wrong with old-fashioned baby dolls. Just saying. Like, this is my memo. This is my memos. Wake up. Why? Why? Why can't I just get rest? Because you gotta meet up in the meeting room. Okay. Olaf, wake up. I already know you're not asleep. Oh, come on! I can't just go outside to my natural habitat. No, you can't. You belong in here. Yes. Grape's not feeling good, so just go to the meeting room. Why do I have to care for Grape? I have no idea. Just go to the meeting room. Okay. Alright, so you all know why I brought you here. We really don't. You just woke us up and just told us to come to the meeting room. Well, Grape is sick. Oh, no, he got corona. We gonna kick him out of the house? Are we gonna kick him out of the house, Fruit Punch? I'm finna kick you out of the house if you don't shut up. Hey, yo, chill. Alright, I'll sit back here. Like, just don't kick me out of the house. Olaf, just shut up, stupid snowman. Are you racist? No, I'm not racist. You're racist. You're racist. Just both of you shut up before I before I drop kick both of you. Ooh. Everybody just shut up! Yo, I'm just gonna leave. Nobody leaves. And why is that? We're all gonna try to get medicine for him. He ain't my child. I don't know who he is. He's just my friend. I gotta get him fine, I will. Don't expect no money from all you. Money? Did you just say money? Yes, I did. But I guess none of y'all's getting it. I mean, that